Guys, in this video I am going to be brave, and with me by brave I mean I'm going to answer questions 6, 7, and 8 in this video and try to keep it under 7 minutes. Hopefully I can win the bet against myself. Now it says here for number 6, a basketball team has played 7 games so far this season. The team won 4 games. Find the ratio of games the team lost to games won. Okay, so when we write a ratio, we can write it in 3 different ways. We can write a ratio as A to B. In this case, A will be my games lost, and B will be my games won. I can write that as A to B using colons, and then I can write that in quotient form as A to B. Either or. So make sure you have these 3 formats down. The format I will use for number 6 will be this format. Although the answer key may have a different format, but it'll be in one of these 3 forms. So make sure you have it down because I'm going to erase it. Okay, so 7 games. They won 4. That means they lost 3. If they play 7 games, they won 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Lost 3 games. So when I want to write the ratio of games lost to game won, that's going to be the ratio of 3 games won to 4 games that they lost. I can also write that using the colons. 3 games won to 4 games lost. Finally, I can write it as 3 games won to 4 games lost in its quotient form. On ALEKS, these 3 formats are acceptable as long as the order in which you put the numbers in are correct. Let's answer question number 7. And I'm going to put 7 down here. 7 says find the slope of the line passing through the points -6, -1, and -2, -5. To find the slope between 2 points, I'm going to use the slope formula. The change in y, which is y2 minus y1, divided by the change in x, x2 minus x of 1. And I'm going to label my coordinates with x1, y1, x of 2, y of 2. And then we're going to find the slope using the slope formula and reduce the fraction as much as possible. So my slope in this case, it is going to be -5, which is y2, minus -1, which is y of 1, divided by x of 2, which is -2, minus x of 1, which is -6. When we have 2 negatives next to each other, that becomes a positive. Same thing in my denominator, that becomes a positive. So -5 plus 1. You owe your bank $5, you spend 1. Rather, you owe your bank $5, you pay them back 1, you now owe them $4. And yes, you can use a calculator as well. I'm choosing not to for the time being. Divided by, you owe your bank $2, you deposit 6, now you have $4 in your account. -4 divided by +4 is going to be -1. So the slope of this line between those 2 points is going to be -1. M equals to -1. All right. Make sure you have this down because I am going to erase. Matter of fact, no, I'm going to keep the work there. I'm just going to write number 8 below. Number 8 says find the cardinal number for the set. And I am tired because I'm mispronouncing my word. 3, 6, 9, right? All the way to 33. They're counting up by 3s. So we can fill in the rest of the set. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and 33. I'm doing it the long way first, then I'll explain the shortcut. We count the number of elements in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 elements in the set. So the cardinality of set A, which we call n of A, equals to 11. And that is the solution. The shortcut to this is looking at the pattern. It's also for 3, and each term increases by 3 all the way to 33. So in this case, if you're counting up by 3s and we're starting with 3s, this set is the multiples of 3s. So 33 is what term of the multiples of 3? That is the 11th term, because 11 times 3 is 33. Therefore, based off of that, we could identify that this right here is our 11th term. And because that's the maximum term, and also because we start at 3, we can say that there is 11 terms, 11 elements in the set. However, I prefer you to list it out like the way I did here. List it out, therefore you can have no mistakes. All right, guys, that is it for questions 6, 7, and 8. And I stayed under 6 minutes. Rather, I lied. I stayed under 7 minutes. I'm getting all tongue-tied. So I need some water. I need a break. I need to play my PS5. I lied. I got a PS4. But I'll see you soon.